Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to pair a remote to your Amazon Fire TV Cube. Now, if you're bringing this remote from a different device, you'll probably want to go ahead and just reset it quick first by pressing the back button, the menu button, and then the left button on the dial. So let's press all three of these buttons down. Then after about 10 to 15 seconds, you'll notice it will return to the home screen on the TV. So let's continue to hold these down, and that will be an indication that is now reset. So we want to reset this because it's still connected and paired to the previous Fire Stick. So we saw it return to the home screen here. Now what we want to do is hold down the home button, and this will put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode. So after about 10 to 15 seconds, an orange light will begin to blink right here on the remote, and that's an indication it's looking for a new device to pair to. So it's trying to connect to one of my new Fire TV Cubes. And once it connects, we should be able to use the remote fully. But in some cases, it's not fully connected where we can't use the Alexa button and Alexa won't work. So we have to go through the settings and then connect it under there. So you might have to repeat this process where the orange light is blinking, and you might have to hold it down longer, and you might have to unplug your Fire TV Cube and take out the batteries from the remote if it's still not working, and then just repeat the process. And hopefully those will become synced. So mine is still blinking. I'm trying to connect. So I'm still just waiting to see if it connects. All right, looks like it finally connected. So it took about 60 seconds for it to connect. It was just kind of sitting here blinking. Now go on over to settings and then go on down and go to controllers and Bluetooth devices. Then go to Amazon Fire TV remotes, and we want to go to add new remote. So if you reset your remote and you press the Alexa button, this is what it's going to say. It says you have to pair now to use this feature essentially. So you want to come to this screen, and then your Fire TV remote may already be appearing on here, but you might have to hold down the home button and then just put it back into the Bluetooth pairing mode to have the device display under this screen. So I'm holding this down right now, and it should be displaying under here. It says searching. It should pop up. If it's not, just continue to hold that down. So I can see it popped up right here, so I'm going to press select on it. And my remote is now paired. So if I press the Alexa button, you can see Alexa is now working, and it's not bringing up that screen. And it looks like it's a blue light now instead of orange, indicating it is now paired to my Fire TV Cube. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.